Hello and welcome to another Divi Booster tutorial. In this video, we'll show you how to customize the Lightbox image background color in the Divi Gallery. By setting a custom background color, you can improve contrast for transparent images, align the display with your brand's color scheme, and create a more polished viewing experience. This includes support for semi-transparent colors, offering even greater flexibility. Let's dive in and see how it's done. To get started, it's important to note that Divi doesn't include a built-in option to change the Lightbox image background color in the Gallery module. However, this functionality can be added using plugins like Divi Gallery Booster or Divi Booster. These plugins make it possible to customize the background color behind your gallery images when viewed in Lightbox mode. This feature is particularly useful for images with transparent or semi-transparent areas, where your selected background color will appear only behind those portions of the image. With this, you can enhance the way your gallery images are displayed while aligning them with your website's design. To locate the Lightbox image background color setting in your Divi Gallery module, start by opening the module's settings within the Divi Builder. Once you're in, navigate to the Design tab. From there, scroll down and expand the Lightbox section. You should see an option labeled Lightbox Image Background Color. If you don't see this setting, double-check that you have either the Divi Gallery Booster or Divi Booster plugin installed and activated, as those plugins are required for this feature to appear. To customize the background color for your Lightbox images, click on the color swatch next to the Lightbox Image Background Color setting. This will open a color picker where you can select your desired color. You can also use the opacity slider to create semi-transparent effects. For instance, you might choose a golden yellow with 80 opacity for a warm and branded look. Once you're satisfied with your selection, simply close the color picker and your changes will be applied. Once you've chosen and set your Lightbox background color, don't forget to save your changes within the Divi Builder. After saving, update or publish your page to apply the update. To see the result, open your page on the front end and click on a gallery image, especially one with transparent or semi-transparent areas. The Lightbox should now display your selected background color behind the image, enhancing its appearance. And that's it! You've successfully added a custom background color to your gallery images in the Divi Lightbox. This is an excellent way to enhance the appearance of transparent images while aligning the Lightbox design with your site's overall style. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing!